What's good, baby, baby? What's good, baby, baby? What's good, baby, baby? What is good? So today's video is going to be a Chipotle Mukbang. Go, 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 go. And I'm freaking starving. I have not ate because last night I was having like some stomach pain that had me up all night. But I'm kind of feeling a little bit better today, and it's my first time eating today. So we're gonna go ahead and give it I don't really get right into it. I'm just spilling a little bit. So yeah, y'all. Let me tell y'all what I ordered from Chipotle. This is my first time eating Chipotle in like months, y'all. I used to eat Chipotle almost every week. I got a burrito bowl, a chicken burrito bowl, and I got tortilla with chips and guac, and I got a pineapple orange drink, and I got some salad dressing. Y'all don't know what I had to go through to get this salad dressing. I had to call they would not answer the phone. And there's no option on the website to get the salad dressing, so I had to call the corporate number and get them to get my driver to give me that good old salad dressing. You already know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's make sure they got my order right. And I normally don't like to do delivery, but they only do on pickup or delivery at the Chipotle down the street. They're not letting you dine in or even go in. Ooh, yeah. So I got me one of these. I got the chips, the Nantucket. That joint be hitting. I got tortilla. It feel like it need to be warmed up. They ain't even warm my up. They petty for that. But okay, I can warm it up. I'm gonna go warm it up. I got some guac with the chips and guac, but I like my guac for my bowl. And I got my bowl. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go heat my tortilla up because it feels cold as dirt. So I'm gonna go heat my tortilla. I like to get a tortilla on the side of mine because sometimes I like to make little mini burritos. I don't know. This be good. So yeah, I ain't eat nothing all day because I wanted to make sure. Like, I got my gallbladder removed in 2018. Was it 2 years ago or was it 3? Ouch, my neck, what the heck? I got my gallbladder removed in 2018, I believe, and I never really had no problems, but I do have to like watch what I eat and stuff. And yesterday I made some frozen chicken nuggets in the daggone toast. I mean, in the air fryer. And after like a couple hours after I ate them, I was feeling like left side top of my stomach pain. And I know if you don't have no gallbladder, sometimes you go through like pancreatitis or something. But I don't even be eating nothing crazy. So that's why, this is so good, y'all. I ain't had Chipotle in ages. Oh my God. That's what had me shocked yesterday, like, what is wrong with me? But then I took some gas sacks and it helped with the pain. Oh my God, I need a picture. Hold on, y'all. Now, hopefully, my side don't start hurting again. Oh, it's good. But yeah, back in 2018, I had my gallbladder removed because I was experiencing like some extreme pain. Like, I mean, when I say y'all, the pain was so bad, I thought I was about to die. I couldn't even stand up straight. And I went to the hospital. Because I ain't the hospital type of girl. I mean, I'll tell y'all, the last thing I'm doing is going to a hospital waiting all night to be seen. And for them telling me that I'm about to die. But yo, I absolutely couldn't take it. Like, oh my God. I don't know if any of y'all ever got y'all gallbladder removed before or know somebody that did, but that pain is crucial. Like, It don't hurt to get the gallbladder removed. You sleep, you don't feel that. But what hurts is the pain you experience when you find out you need it removed. I can still feel it. My gallbladder pain had me walking like this, like, I couldn't stand up straight. The only thing that felt comfortable was laying on the floor. I couldn't eat nothing for days. It was just so uncomfortable. This is the tortilla on the side, y'all. It was just so uncomfortable experiencing that pain, like, so. Any stomach pain that I feel that's not cramps, which I barely ever get, I'm scared because I don't know, like, I don't even try and get no surgery again unless I want the surgery. I just don't be wanting to have to deal with that, like, gallbladder stuff, because, ooh, baby. I gotta stop eating butter sauce with my crabs. Greasy stuff can set you off. And off camera, to be honest, like, I eat, but I don't be eating a lot, like, because I get full quick. But yeah. I don't know if I like it better with the tortilla or with the chips. The chip hit a little different with it. You take a chip, you took some of your Chipotle out, you put it on the chip. If you got some guac, I don't even know why I pour all my sauce in here because I normally don't even be pouring all my sauce. Ooh. If you got some guac, you take it and you put it on there. A piece of chicken soup. I don't want my dogs eating that. Or maybe I'll put it on the floor again. They can have it. It's just chicken. But yeah, y'all, Chipotle hit a little different. I don't know. I be loving Chipotle. Oh my God. I ain't have it in months, like literally. I used to have Chipotle all the time. It's like my go-to meal. Y'all can keep y'all McDonald's. And I hate when Chipotle be going through stuff like, I don't even want to talk about it because I'm eating it, but shit, I be waiting for them to. I think I like it better with the chips. It's fresh. They must have had that many customers today because it's late and it's fresh. Normally, it's not this fresh, this late. So yeah. Did I ask for lettuce? I'm just noticing they put lettuce on my stuff. I really don't get lettuce like that from there. And I'm just noticing this lettuce on my stuff. Because I ain't going to eat all this bowl, and tomorrow them lettuce going to be soggy. Dang, I was hungry. So good. The guac hitting different. Everything is just so fresh. They must not have that many customers, like I said before. Because one thing about it, their line always long, but this food fresh. Even though I eat there a lot, when I order from there, something about ordering from there, your food don't be as fresh as when you actually stand in line, watch them cook it. There's just something about it. I like to do this because I like both the chips and this. I made I pour all my sauce in here. That's not normally what I do. I normally don't be doing that. But talking to y'all, I had got distracted. But y'all, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, period. I know you on here watching, might as well. If you haven't already, you should have already did it. Because all my loyal supporters already know what's up with me. Like, excuse me. I wonder what Chipotle put in their meat, like their chicken. I don't know, but it be hitting different at times. Alright, this is my last time. My last scoop, y'all. I'm getting full. My last little scoobity-doo. Scoobity-doo. I think I lied. I think I need a few more scoops. And this was making me full. Who calling me? This was making me full. This drink, I haven't had that in years either. I'm an iced tea drinker now, so normally I don't even get juice. I just get iced tea. But I was like, you know what? I don't trust if their iced tea gonna be sweet or not. So let me just go ahead and order me a real drink. Because anybody got time to be trying to figure out, oh, I'm ordering online. Is my tea gonna be sweet? I would be lying if I said I'm not full right now. And it's like I missed it so bad though. Last bite, last bite, last bite. And we're gonna wrap the video up. I hope y'all enjoying it though. And I hope y'all happy that I'm making videos. And I hope y'all watch and give us a support. My videos have not been getting that many views lately. And I don't appreciate y'all for that. And the loyal supporters, I know exactly who y'all are. Keep watching, keep commenting, keep giving that thumbs up. That was good. That was so good. But the only thing about it is now, I'm like mad full. Like, that juice got me about to bust. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what I should do next. I think I'm gonna make a recipe on here next, I think. Let me know what I should do on here next. I always ask y'all to tell me what y'all want to see so I can keep y'all engaged and keep giving y'all videos that y'all love. Oh, I just dropped everything. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. And I'll see y'all soon.